Posterior instrumentation C1, C2 might be a challenging task. Therefore, navigation can be a solution. If we place the patient array in a minimal invasive procedure on C2, we might place it caudally. We might have an interference with our instruments, especially the drill guide and a screwdriver for the insertion of our pedicle screw in C2, visible here. And to overcome this problem, we would recommend to place the patient array towards the cranium. And in this way, we do not have any interference with our instruments and later on with our implants for pedicle screws at C2 and lateral mass screws in C1.